start Laravel in the Mac operating system. So first you have to open Laravel website laravel.com, and you can search there your first Laravel project, or you just write it F. So after that you can see this page will open, and there it will see composer create project Laravel. Here you can see. So we are going to install first composer, and before to composer you can see here Homebrew also. So we are going to install Homebrew also. So it is very easy, just few minutes job only. You just open Homebrew or search brew.sh, and after that you can see this portal open like this, and I'll show my configuration. So my configuration is this one, in Intel chip and 13.1 Ventura, 13.3 Ventura MacOs I am having right now. After that you can see here one command is there in down here, you see, no, this one. So this command you just copy by this clicking on this, and after that you just paste this command in your terminal, and it will ask your password. After giving the password it will install. So you can see installation is there done for brew. And brew command, if you check brew command installed or not, so you just write brew-v. So you can see it is showing here Homebrew 4.0.15 here. So this is means this is installed. After that your next is you have to install in your PHP also. So this is the separate PHP. Suppose you are using a XAMPP command also, MAMP command also, XAMPP or MAMP. So in this case that will not disturb, and this is separately it will install PHP. So you just search here PHP in brew. So after searching you can see how to install the PHP. Just copy this command brew install PHP, and then you can see copy. After you just paste it in your terminal, and then hit enter button. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes, and after that it will install, and you see here installation is done. After that I'll put all the commands in my description also. Brew service restart PHP. This you can see I put here brew service restart PHP. By see while installing we see this command, so that only I copy and paste it here. After that you see PHP is running in the background, and you see right side notification also. After that you just go and open composer, and in composer you can see here one command is there. You just copy and paste this command in your terminal, nothing to do anything. This is very simple, just copy and paste, and it will ask password, it will download, and then it will also install in few minutes. So PHP will take around 5 to 10 minutes to download and install, and composer takes 2-3 minutes. After that you have to create a composer. Through composer you have to create Laravel project. So you have just create one folder, and like I have created one folder here, projects. Inside projects I have in Laravel website only command is there how to create a Laravel project. So like command I copied here and I put in the terminal, copied from here and putting here terminal. I have given this Laravel example app, means so anything you can give. So this I have given, and this is installing, and then oh, this is composer installation in between I put. Okay, no, leave it. And then after that how to run the Laravel after creating the project, this is also given in the website only, php artist serve. So if you click this command, this will give the output like this, 127.0.0.1, then 8000 port number. So copy this and put it in a browser. So in browser I put, and see my Laravel is running. So it is very easy, around 15 minutes it will take to all the setup. So thanks for this watching this video. We'll meet again.